So we came up with
we're making mix up BRIO, Thomas, and Hape. Thumbs up and crack it. Subscribe to Langston's channel. With Daddy Bobo with Kellogg's. Let's get building.
So we are building a Thomas Hape BRIO Intelino. Oh my. All the things, the biggest track we can build. We are connecting it to our train table that we have here. This may take us all weekend, Langston. What do you think? Look at Daddy Bum Bum. Daddy Engineer is gonna catch some Z's while we put everything together. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Here comes Thomas. Oh my gosh. We have more Thomas. The train tracks.
One BRIO's in there.
Oh my gosh. We have to figure out a plan how we're gonna get the tracks down
Together?
off the table. I have no idea how we're gonna do this. I have some ideas. Langston, the tracks are gonna come off of the table.
Oh.
Are you sure we're gonna use that?
Yeah. That's easy. I got a plan.
But the plan is for the tracks to come off of the table. Are you sure?
Yep. I am sure.
Okay, so walk everybody through your great idea, Langston.
Hello, guys.
Why don't you slide this closer? So our idea is to connect Thomas going straight across. Our train table, and then come around, and then the train track is gonna go down. Actually, it's too close because we need to slide it back because our train track is gonna go down onto the floor. The other side is gonna go down to the floor on the other side.
Yep.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so we figured out how to connect our Thomas. So we decided on connecting the two. And your balloon. We went to Red Robin tonight. Whoa. So we figured out how to connect our Thomas train to our train table. We had our train tracks coming down. And then we're going to come down to the floor, cross over, and now we're going to connect our Thomas the train with our Hape and BRIO tracks now. Woohoo! Okay, so we just connected the Thomas train with Hape and BRIO connectors. You see, we found our Thomas connector piece here, and we have connection all the way into our actual toy room. And so we have Intelino testing us out here. Oh, Intelino is just so wide. Sometimes he can't get through the bridges, but he goes so fast. Go, Intelino, go. And so we have our, boy, look at this toy room. We really need to clean up one day. We have our trains going through the entire toy room in here. It's coming through the tracks. We have a few a few tracks going through our fast tracks going through here. Uh-oh. I'm already tripping over some things. Oh boy, we need to really clean up, Langston.
Tell me what's happened.
So that's what's going on. That's what we have going on
We got
here.
some help.
We got some help. City Express trains over here is kind of falling off. We need to pick them back up. All right, he's back on track. He has Intelino's caboose. All right, Intelino's coming up the track. Come on, Intelino, you can do it. Come on, bud. Come on. Come up those tracks. You can do it, bud. Come on, Intelino. Push, push, push. Woo! Look at it take off. It's out. It's gone. It's gonna run City Express off the track. It's moving out the way. Woo! I think I crushed something. Oh, it rammed City Express and Intelino's caboose off the track.
Thumbs up and crack your thumbs up.